Metal lathe hack number 8. Another tip on small work holding in larger chucks. This is a 10-inch buck chuck, adjust true 6-jaw. I have 3 jaws out of it. A 3-jaw chuck, but 4 inches in diameter. Place that in there. Now I'm just lining it up with these jaws with those jaws. It doesn't really, but that's so I can adjust this chuck or tighten it right there. Now I could put the work in at first, but you can get in here and adjust, or tighten I should say, this chuck with a small key, especially after I modify it. But anyway, boom boom, tighten that up and I'm good to go. Now once I put my work in here, I can adjust my big chuck, because this is an adjustable chuck, to center it up right on the money. Thanks you guys. Thanks for watching. And please subscribe and click the notification bell on the video page, and you'll get notified about new videos, especially like this sort of thing.